So here we are. We're going to take the periodic table acid and base quiz. Just follow along and then of course pause when you need to and rewind if you want to hear me read a question again. Number 1. The element you are looking for has this energy level model. So take a look at the model. Is that element O, Li, Au, or F? The element you're looking for has this energy level model. Number 2, the element you're looking for has 12 protons in its nucleus. Is that Ne, H, Mg, or C? The element you are looking for has 12 protons in its nucleus. Number 3, which of the following best describes an atom? A, protons and electrons surrounding the nucleus. B, neutrons and electrons in the nucleus surrounded by protons. C, protons and neutrons in the nucleus. Or D, electrons in the nucleus. Which of the following best describes an atom? Number 4. The atom you're looking for has 2 electrons on its first energy level, 8 electrons on its second energy level, and 4 electrons on its third energy level. Is that element Si, Fe, K, or Ar? 2 electrons in the first energy level, 8 in the second, and 4 in the third. Number 5. The groups on the periodic table are the A, rows going left and right that show elements with similar energy levels. B, the columns going up and down that show elements with similar characteristics. C, the elements with protons and neutrons in their nucleus. Or D, the elements that do not belong in the other period. The groups on the periodic table are the 6. Select the element that is a metal. A, Ar, B, B, C, O, or D, K. Select the element that is a metal. 7. Select the element that you would expect to have properties very much like those of oxygen. O. Is that S, B, Li, or Ne? Number 8. When using pH paper, the pH of the solution can be determined by looking at the blank of the paper. Is that the mass of the paper, the texture of the paper, the color of the paper, or the length of the paper? Number 9. What is not true about an atom? A, the electrons are the furthest thing away from the center of the atom. B, the protons and neutrons make up the atomic mass. C, the protons make up the atomic number. Or D, the electrons have the biggest mass of all of the subatomic parts. What is not true about an atom? Number 10. The following items are all basic substances. Substance, pH value. Ammonia, 11.6. Baking soda, 8. Egg, 7.8. Lime water, 12.4. Milk of magnesia, 10.5. Lye, 14. Which substance is the weakest base? Ammonia, lye, egg, or baking soda? Number 11. Drain cleaner has a pH about 13.5. How can it be classified based on its pH? A, it is close to neutral but slightly basic. B, it is a strong acid. C, it is a very strong base. D, It is close to neutral but slightly acidic. Number 12. Which of the following statements is correct? Blue litmus paper stays blue when placed in an acid. Or B. Red litmus paper turns blue when placed in a base. C. Blue litmus paper turns red when placed in a base. That should say red. Or D. Red litmus paper stays red when placed in a base. Which of the following statements is correct? Number 13. What element has 13 protons? Al, Fe, K, or Ar? Number 14. Many acids come from chemical supply companies in special coated glass bottles with extra thick walls. What is the most likely characteristic of an acid that requires this special container? A. Sour taste. B. Dark color. C. Corrosive nature. Or D. Strong smell. Number 15. Examine the table below. Substance, pH value. Ammonia, 11.6. Apple juice, 3. Baking soda, 8. Grapes, 4. Lye, 14. Stomach juice, 1. Which of these substances is the most acidic? Stomach juice, baking soda, grapes, or ammonia? And finally, number 16. What area on the periodic table consists of materials that have high melting points, are ductile, and can be hammered into a flat sheet? Is that area A labeled there, B, or C? Please look over your answers. If you need me to reread anything and can't rewind it to that point, just raise your hand and I'll come around. Very good.